Hello, today I'm going to introduce you to the FiberCoat, the perfect smooth base infused with the microfiber particles. Let's have a look. I'm Magda from Magnetic Nails UK and I'm joined by Sarisa Klein, the Magnetic Brand Manager. Let's get started. FiberCoat is a builder in a bottle that is smooth and self-leveling. It is infused with the microfiber particles to strengthen the nails and fortifies them. It's really easy to use and we have 5 different colors. The clear pink, soft white, extreme white, cool cover and my favorite frosted pink. It's amazing over the natural nails but can be also used with the hybrid nails and we're going to show you this later. But let's see the FiberCoat. The most common use of the FiberCoat is over the natural nail as a base for the gel polish. Let's have a look what Sarisa prepared for us. She prepared the nails, used the prep, soft bond primer, and now the FiberCoat frosted pink. First the thin layer, the adhesion layer. She presses the product in and she's going to cure it 60 seconds. Now the second layer, a little bit thicker to strengthen the nails. You can see how easily the FiberCoat is applied. Perfectly self-leveling from the cuticle to the tip of the nail. This layer also needs to be cured 60 seconds. Now nail is ready for the gel polish and beautiful Bloody Mary. Nice and thin layer. Sarisa goes straight with the brush from the bottle closer to the cuticle, side walls, and pulling the product down. Of course, the application needs to be perfect, so the blush brush is in use around the side walls and the cuticle area. Color needs to be cured and now can be finished with the Supreme Finish. You can of course use any other top gel. Nice and thin layer and 60 seconds cure. Just perfect and easy application. How easy it is to use the FiberCoat is just perfect. But FiberCoat, because of the fiber particles, is strong enough to use it as a hybrid nail. We also prepared for you some demos with the power gel. But first, a little bit of baby boom after the commercial. As I promised, the baby boom technique. The baby boom with the FiberCoat can be applied over the natural nail as well over the extreme nail, but let's start with the natural nail. First, of course, the nail needs to be prepped and soft bond primer applied. Now, the FiberCoat pink. Really thin layer, adhesion layer. Press it in and cure 60 seconds. Now the milky shade of the FiberCoat white. Small amount at the edge. One thin layer covers the free edge perfectly. Now the blush brush to create the blend-in. Just slightly pull the product close to the cuticle. Now the frosted pink. Nice amount over the natural nail, and now she's pulling the product towards the blend-in. The frosted pink is perfect to hide the imperfection of the natural nail. Just beautiful shade. Now the blush brush. Perfect blend. For this one, you can of course use any other brush, like for example the ombre brush if you prefer so. Finish the nail with the supreme finish and the 60 seconds cure, of course. Just perfect baby boom. The FiberCoat, as I mentioned, can be also used with the power gel. Let's have a look at the power gel first. Want to try the FiberCoat yourself? You can now purchase the FiberCoat with 20% discount on our website. And don't forget, if you want more information about our classes or any other magnetic nail design product, you can contact me on the website or via email. But do you know our mystical shimmer stop gels? They are perfect to mix with the FiberCoat. Let's have a look. As I promised, now video of the FiberCoat and the power gel. There's going to be refill nails over the power gel, so Sarisa is starting from removing the color with her e-file. First, gently remove the color from all of the nail surface. And now the hygienic file system 180 grit to shape the nail and smooth out the surface of the nail for the perfect preparation of the refill. First shaping, shortening the nail. And now from the top, preparing the surface. Don't forget about the preparation of the natural nail part too. Solvent primer over the whole nail plate. And let's start with the FiberCoat cool cover. First, again, really thin layer, pressing layer, adhesion layer that needs to be cured. We cover the full surface. After 60 seconds cure, now the second layer, a bit bigger amount. Now we build in the structure of the nail, adding the apex and covering the full nail. Nice and smooth application, moving the product towards the tip. Of course, you can add more products if you have to, the nail is pretty long. Beautifully self-leveling, just perfect. Curing time 60 seconds and we have beautifully natural looking nail infused with the fiber particles from the FiberCoat. Let's finish with the Supreme Finish top gel and cure it 60 seconds. The perfect product, no filing technique and amazing results, super fast, and you can use it in a salon. And if you want to try this in your salon as well, do not forget about the product of the month offer, 20% off of the FiberCoat in March. And if you want to know more about our products and training, you can contact me anytime. See you next time.